But instead of being awed as something great, something odd that could overcome them, they refuse to welcome Jesus. What could be the reason that they refuse to welcome Jesus in their midst? Hindi ba't napakaganda yung kanyang ginagawa? Pinalaya niya yung mga inaalihan ng demonyo sa kanila. One writer said, it is because of their fear. They fear Jesus' power. They fear something that they could not understand, and it's a natural human emotion. We fear what we do not understand. They fear that Jesus might be another powerful spirit who can afflict or bring changes in their life. Para sa kanila, natatakot sila sa mga pagbabago o sa kahit anong kapangyarihan na maaaring magbago sa kanilang buhay. Ano nga ba yung pumipigil para makapasok si Jesus sa ating buhay?